We'll guide you through how to find and where to find screenshots on Windows. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps you've just taken a screenshot and you're wondering where you can go and find it, because perhaps you need to go and upload it somewhere, send it to somebody, or do something else with it. Or alternatively, over time, you've taken a lot of screenshots and you're interested in seeing what you've gone and taken over time. We're going to guide you through how you can go about this. Make sure this full guide and don't skip anything, because you may go and miss something important. I just want to cover how you can go and about this. And there's some other things I want to explain as well. So to get started, I'm going to go and take a screenshot and then we can then go and find it. So you can go and hold the left shift key, Windows start key and S. And then what we can do is go and take the screenshot. So you can click, hold and drag over what you want to go and take the screenshot. And you're going to go and see it pops up. Now there it will go and say automatically saved to the screenshots folder. So you don't actually need to go and click on it at all. I'm just doing this for the example. So what you can do is you can go and edit it in here. As you can see, if you go and click on it, I said you don't have to do this. I just want to make this in depth. And if you make an edit, you can always go and press the save button in the top right, and you can then choose where you want to go and save it. But as I said, you don't have to go about this. It will automatically be saved. You don't need to go and click on it. So to go about finding it, you can go and open up your file explorer. Now what you want to do is come over to the left and you want to look at the top, and there, if you scroll right to the top, you should go and see home and you want to go and click on it. And then we want to go and locate pictures. As you can see here it is. You may just go and see it over to the left here as well, and you can then go and click on it. So you may go and have other pictures, but what you're looking for is the screenshots folder in here. As you can see here it is, and here we are. So at the top here, you can go and wait for it to load and we can see them. You can change how they're sorted at the top, but I can go and see the screenshot I took. That's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more videos.